You are a magnet of love, joy, success, happiness, and abundance. You are the magical creation of God. You are the awesome creation of the universe, and you have the power to manifest whatever you desire. And in all your desires, you deserve to have a joyful, magical, awesome, beautiful, spiritual, positive, abundant relationship in your life. Yes, you deserve to have a very loving and joyful and a truly awesome and magical relationship in your life. And so many of you were asking me to share a step-by-step process in manifesting your soulmate or life partner or perfect partner or the love of life by using the law of attraction. And this video is for all of you. Now, this is mainly for those of you who are ready to attract a new partner, new soulmate, and new love into your life. But still, if you are healing your relationship, or still if you are already in a relationship, then watching this video will really help you make your relationship better. Because at the end, it's all about making the relationship more magical and joyful. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello Awesome Tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation, and I'm so happy and excited to share some deep insight with all of you. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. If you are new to our Awesome Tribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our Awesome Tribe, because I'm going to share so many amazing videos and transformational tools, techniques and processes with all of you. Now, so many of you were asking me to make a video to attract your new soulmate or perfect life partner or your love of life using the law of attraction, because I have been sharing a lot of videos on attracting your ex or love back or healing your broken relationship. But I know there is a large part of people who are not ready to heal their relationship. They don't want to attract their ex back. They don't want to attract someone from their past. They are ready to attract a new person, a new love, a new soulmate into their life, the perfect partner. And you people are right, and there is nothing wrong with attracting the ex or love from or healing a relationship. It varies from people to people depending upon your situation. So this video is for manifesting your new soulmate. Now, like I said, this will help even those who are healing your relationship. Now, when we talk about manifesting a soulmate, the first thing is you have to know yourself very well. So this is the first step. Write down all that you love about yourself. Yes, write down all that you love about yourself. Because I said earlier, only when you love yourself, the whole world will love you. Because when you start loving yourself, when you start finding what are the good things you have in you, what are your good qualities, then you could able to recognize the wholeness of your soul. Because only when you recognize the power of your soul, the joy in your soul, then you will attract your soulmate into your life, right? So first step is, it always starts from you. So first step is, you can take your journal or a notebook and you start writing all these things and make your action plan ready for manifesting. The first is, write down all the good qualities that you have in you, all the things that you love about yourself. And it should not be just your outer qualities, like how you look or what are your social status and all. You should go deep inside. What are the good qualities you have? What are the things you have? What are the things that will attract the other person? And how it will make you feel whole as an individual even before the other person will shows up in your life. Now the second step is, think about and then write down, how do you want to feel in the relationship? Yes, this is very much powerful, because you need to know how you want to feel in the relationship. How do you want to feel in the relationship? Remember, many people are trying to attract their soulmate or partner, but they are just focusing on the other person or what kind of person they want. They are not at all focused or trying to understand how do you want to feel in the relationship. And this means when you start focusing about it, you will be able to know that what are the positive things you want to feel in the relationship. How do you want to feel in the relationship? How do you want to feel positive, loving, secured, happy, whole, romantic? The way you want to feel, you have to think and ask yourself and write it down, how you really want to feel in this relationship. Now the third point, now you are going to the relationship. Write down think and then write down your vision of relationship. Yes, your vision of relationship. How you really want the relationship to be, what you want to experience in this relationship, what do you want to experience. And in this part you can write the qualities about your life partner, about your soulmate, but most importantly, what do you want to experience in this relationship, what is your relationship vision, not goal. Because what is the vision, what it means, how you want to feel being loyal and the other person is also loyal, positive, spiritual. How the vision will come from both the side, the energy will come from both the side and get aligned together, and both of you feel a joyful, abundant, happy, spiritual, fun loving, maybe adventurous, maybe magical experiences. You think about it and write that vision, what all you want to experience, and then you will write that how the other person will make you feel in this relationship. It's not just about you or the other person, it's about you and your soulmate and the experience, most importantly the experience that you want to have. Because when you focus on the experience that you want to have, then you attract the person who can give you that experience. Otherwise, if you just write the physical qualities or only qualities of the person, and if a person will come up into your life but that person won't be able to give you that experience, then it not going to work for a long time. That is why many people are suffering in their relationship. They focus on a person so much, but when the person comes to their life, that person has completely different choices or different lifestyle or different attitude or different understanding of life, and it is no more aligned. Now you keep fighting with each other and trying to settle down, trying to communicate, trying to do everything. But if two people are completely different, no matter what you communicate, no matter what kind of communication you build, it's not going to work. So when you focus, what do you want to experience in the relationship, then you will attract the person who also want to experience the same thing and who also desire to offer the same thing, so that it will become a joyful relationship. Now, so far in the first 3 points, you focused about the way you want to feel, the way you want to love yourself, and the way you want to be in the relationship. But all these things has a deeper connection. And that is the 4th point. Write down about what are the beliefs you have about relationship, marriage or love in general. Because many a times people have been programmed with lot of negative beliefs about love and relationship or marriage. Like so many people or movies or TV series or novels, they keep talking about love means pain, love means fighting, love means problems, and then they talk about marriage means lack of freedom, marriage means confinement, marriage means. So when so much of negativities people are carrying, if you keep believing in all these negativities about love, relationship and marriage, and at the same time you want to have a positive experience, it means your subconscious mind is in conflict. On one side you are saying that I want a very joyful and happy and magical relationship. Other side you are saying, deep down believing, that relationship means problem, fighting, anger, frustration, lack of freedom. So how these two things come together? So this is where so many people are making this mistake, that they are saying that, oh, I love this person and I want the happy thing in this relationship, but in general their idea of relationship and love is absolutely negative, and then they wonder why it's not working. So on the 4th point, you need to sit down and really write down what are the beliefs you have about relationship, and you have to make a list of positive beliefs and negative beliefs about love, relationship and marriage, and you have to stick with the positive beliefs. But if there are negative beliefs like love is pain, love is suffering, or marriage means lack of freedom, or whatever these things are there, if you have these kind of negative beliefs, you really need to cross them off and change them into something positive. And you have to analyze from where all these negative beliefs are coming from. Are you watching too much of movies or TV series which are talking about all the bad side or the negative side of relationship? If you are, you have to stop doing them, stop watching them. If you are reading books or novels that are talking about these things, you have to stop them. If you are listening to many stand-up comedians who are always make fun of relationship and all, and then you are enjoying at that moment, but next time or the other time you want to attract a happy relationship, they are in conflict. You have to stop listening to them. So if you want to have a happy relationship, you have to be protective, and then you have to only watch, consume things which are positive about relationship, love and marriage. So this is the 4th point. 5th point, Be the match you want to be. Yes, you have to be the match of the vision that you have set, especially on the third point. When you set the vision of relationship or your love life or having this relationship with your soulmate, you have to ask yourself, are you a match for that vision? Like for example, if you write that you are having a very positive and peaceful and joyful relationship, so are you a positive, peaceful and joyful person? If no, then how can you have that relationship? If you are constantly staying angry, irritated and negative, but you are expecting a positive, peaceful and joyful relationship, you are never going to manifest it. For example, if you are manifesting a loyal and very committed relationship, but at this point you are just flirting around or you are sleeping around and you are doing all the wrong things with many other people, then it's not possible for you to manifest that relationship where you will have a loyal or committed relationship. So you have to be really check, are you a match for that? And if there are some weaknesses or something wrong is there within you, there is nothing not to worry about it. It's time to change. It's time to match with that vision. So you have to change it. You have to be the match for the vision of relationship. Now the sixth one, don't stay stuck and open for possibilities. See, when you are attracting a relationship or looking for your soulmate, there are chances that you have a crush on someone or you like someone very much, or you are trying to be in a relationship with someone because you like them or they seems or they are attractive. But let's suppose if you are trying everything but that person is not interested in you or not showing interest in you or not liking you, or they are giving you signals again and again that they are not ready for a relationship with you, then don't stay stuck. Don't stay stuck. Focus on your vision and keep yourself open. It may happen that there is someone else who is perfectly fitting into your vision. She is ready for you or he is ready for you, but you are so stuck with this person that you are not even ready to look at this person or not even ready to get it into this relationship. So don't stay stuck with anyone. If it is working, it's great. If you have a crush on someone and the other person is also showing interest, then you have all the time and energy to explore the relationship and build it up. That's absolutely fine. And see whether that person fit it into your vision or whether that person is your soulmate or not. Or most important thing, if you have a crush on someone or you like someone or you are getting to know each other, until you really know the person and realize that he or she is your soulmate and they have the same vision for relationship and they are the same person, don't consider them as your soulmate unless you know him or her really well. Many people make this mistake. They like someone, they just know someone and they all of a sudden assume that this person is my soulmate, whereas that person is completely different and you are expecting completely different thing and it doesn't work and you suffer. Don't do this mistake. Now the seventh point is, start blessing all the couples or all the people when you see them in love. Whenever you see people who are in love or who are having a good time, whether you know them personally or not, whenever you see them, keep blessing them. Means when you are blessing them and when you are happy for them, you are saying yes to the universe. You are saying yes to the universe. You are strengthening your vibration for your soulmate, for your relationship, for your love of life. My friend, if you follow these 7 points, or if you are having some action plan or following something, but you were missing some of these things, then now it's time for you to follow this step-by-step guide and manifest your soulmate, love of life, perfect life partner, because you deserve it and you have the power. Only thing is that you have to do it in the right way, correct way, and manifest. In case if you are making some mistakes, correct it now so that you will speed up your manifestation. I wish you all the love, all the joy, all the happiness in your relationship. If this video has inspired you, helped you, or you were waiting for this video, like it, comment, share it with someone you love, and let me know in the comment section what you love the most about this video. And if you want to learn more tools, techniques and processes in manifesting your desires, you should join our powerful program, Make Your Life Awesome. It's a 22 days, amazing, powerful journey. Thousands of people have gone through this program and already manifested their goals, desires and dreams. Now it's your turn. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Awesome, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. Thank you. Bye.